Hi, welcome to Sunkissed, and today I'm showing you what 120 euros can get you on Laughing Hens. As some of you may know that a few weeks ago it was my birthday and my aunt and my mom put together some money and together a sum of 120 euros to gift me to buy yarn from Laughing Hens, and today we're going to be unboxing that package. The yarns came in a paper bag and I already opened it in the morning because it came before I was going to work, so that's why it is already open and a little bit ripped, but I just had to peek inside before work. Let's unbox this. All the product links to all the yarns I have been talking about in this video will be down in the description in chronological order. Check them out. There is a little paper inside where it's written how many and what yarns I ordered. A lot. I think in total I got 39 40 skeins of yarn. A lot. All of the yarns I ordered are 100% cotton except this one, which is a cotton and bamboo mix, and I wanted to try this. That's why I only got one skein to try it out, to test it. But all the other yarns are 100% cotton. So starting with this one, as I already told you, it's 50% bamboo and 50% cotton in the color steel. It's really soft. It's softer than the cotton yarns. I think it's the bamboo doing its work, and I can't wait to make something out of it and see how it feels working with it. The next thing I see in the bag is this drop saffron, 100% cotton, obviously, in the color light brown. And I got 5 skeins of this light brown color. Next on my list is also drop saffron, apple green, and I also got 5 skeins of apple green. Next one I have is this strong yellow color, and I also got 5 skeins of this yellow. Next on my list and in this bag is this navy blue, which I got 4 skeins of navy blue. Next is this Pink Panther, 4 skeins of Pink Panther. This is mercerized cotton, that's why it's a little bit shiny. Next yarns I have are from Sirdar, model Snuggly, and one is in the color pistachio, I got 2 skeins, and the other one is in the color powder, I got 1 skein. If you have watched my previous unboxing, which you can find on my TikTok profile, you saw that I ordered these last time and I started making a project and I didn't have enough yarn. That's why I ordered a little bit more of these ones. Also from the Sirdar brand Snuggly, I got 4 skeins of smoky blue. From the brand Essentials, I got 4 skeins of dark red. From the same brand, I got this 100-gram skein in the color Blue Lagoon. It was the last one left, and it looked really pretty and I wanted to try it out, and I'm glad I did because it looks really good and I can't wait to make something out of this. From the same brand I got 3 skeins of this black color, and with that was it. I have a whole bag of all these colors I just mentioned and I can't wait to work with them. The only thing I'm wondering is why I didn't order anything in white, because as I said in my previous unboxing, you can never go wrong with white, but I guess I'll order it next time. So this was it in my unboxing 120 euro order from Laughing Hens. Feel free to like the video, subscribe to my channel to not miss out any patterns, any videos I make, including these beautiful, colorful yarns, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!